In Python, a function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. Functions allow you to organize your code into modular and manageable chunks, making it easier to understand, maintain, and debug your programs. Functions take input, arguments, and can optionally return output, a return value. Here's how you define and use functions in Python. Defining a function. You define a function using the "def" keyword followed by the function name, a pair of parentheses containing the arguments, and a colon. The function body is indented below the "def" line and contains the code that the function will execute. Python. Def greet, name. This function greets the person passed in as a parameter. Print, f, hello, name. Calling a function. To use a function, you call it by its name and provide the required arguments inside the parentheses. If the function returns a value, you can store it in a variable. Python. Greet, Alice, hash. Output, hello, Alice. Returning values. A function can return a value using the return statement. This allows you to use the result of the function's computation in your program. Python. Def add, a, b. This function returns the sum of two numbers. Return a plus b. Result equals add, 5, 3. Hash result will hold the value 8. Default arguments. You can provide default values for function arguments. If an argument is not provided when calling the function, it will use the default value. Python. Def power, base, exponent equals 2. This function calculates the power of a number. Return base exponent. Print, power, 3, hash. Output, 9, 3 to the power of 2. Print, power, 2, 4, hash. Output, 16, 2 to the power of 4. Variable number of arguments. You can define functions that accept a variable number of arguments using **args and ***quargs. Python. Def print _args, **args. This function prints all arguments. For arg in args. Print, arg. Print _args, 1, 2, 3, hash. Output, 1, 2, 3. Def print _quargs, **quargs. This function prints all keyword arguments. For key, value in quargs, items. Print, f, key, value. Print _quargs, a equals 1, b equals 2, hash. Output, a, 1, b, 2. Scope and lifetime of variables. Variables defined within a function have local scope and are only accessible within that function. Variables defined outside of any function have global scope and can be accessed from any part of the code. Python. Global_var equals 10. Def my function. Local_var equals 5. Print, global_var, hash. This works. Print, local_var, hash. This works. Print, global_var, hash. This works. Hash print, local_var, hash. This would result in an error. DOC strings. It's a good practice to provide a docstring for your functions to explain what they do, what arguments they accept, and what they return. This helps others, and yourself, understand your code. Python. Def multiply, a, b. This function multiplies two numbers. Args. A, float. The first number. B, float. The second number. Returns. Float. The product of a and b. Return a * b. Function invocation versus definition. Remember that a function is defined using **def*, but it is executed when you call it using its name followed by parentheses. Python. Def say _hello. Print, hello. Say _hello, hash. This invokes the function and prints, hello. In summary, functions in Python are a fundamental building block for creating organized and reusable code. They allow you to break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable pieces, making your code more modular and easier to understand.